Yeah, good.
Our market, now business.
We thank God.
They see this fine plasma for you. Say, ma, come ask how much they sell.
Like this one, I'll give you this one now, 150.
What's the name of this one?
This is Philip.
Philip.
Yeah.
Person name.
Yeah, it's person name.
Wow. Interesting.
Answer is now.
It's
the name of a company.
Okay. How much you talk?
150.
150. How much you fed before?
Before it was it's 45 inches. It was 110.
But now is how much?
It's 150.
Why do you think they increase like that?
No, you know the country where we are now. It's not, the price is not suitable. Okay. It's not in one place. That, just like what I told you at the beginning. Because of the condition of Nigeria, and that is why it's increasing.
What about that white one? Where did this? What's the name?
This one is Thompson. Okay. This is Thompson. Okay. This one now we can sell it 80,000. 80,000, yeah. We have something like fans here.
So I see all this fine fan. Okay. Should be not press they call
press iron, yes. Yes.
Okay, how much?
Like this one now. This one now is we can give you this one now 12,000. It's steam. We use this water and dry. It's Philip. Okay. We still have this one. This one is Panasonic. Okay. This very one now is we'll give you 8,000. It's dried. It doesn't use water. This use water and dry. Okay. This one now is the big size. This one now 15,000. The heavy size. It doesn't, but it's dry. It's dry, yeah. Wow. Yeah. This are fan now. We can sell this fan now 15,000.
How much did it be before?
Before it was 8,000. 8,000. Now it's 15,000.
Wow. The price just they go up, they go up, they go up. Down. You know they come down.
No, you know they come down. Yeah. We have something like this DVD. Okay. DVD, some is 12,000, some is 18,000.
This is Samsung.
Yeah, this Samsung is 12,000.
Okay, that's about the
LG now, this very one, the same 12,000, but this longer one, this one now 18,000. So that is however, that is a set. This one a set of home theater. Okay. This one is can give you this one cheapest 120,000.
120K.
120,000.
Person feel you say build house.
That was before. It's not. It's not now. It's not now. Okay. Yeah.
And so all these small.
All this small plasma now. This one now is. We'll give you this one 30,000.
This one will be like box. So my box.
Okay. They are box. Now the one where they used before now because plasma cup, but people still they buy them. I don't understand that. Like all those. This one is edgy. It's edgy. Okay. This one I can give you now 28,000. Okay. It's 20.
Plasma and this one, which one better pass?
This one is good. This one is still longer because some people prefer say if this one spoil now, this one take time to spoil. If it spoil, it can the price to repair is very cheap. But this if it's plasma, if the screen of this one spoil now. This one now you can get the screen now 60,000, but this one now it's hard for this thing to spoil. It's cheap to maintain than plasma. Yeah, wow. Yeah, that is it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. How much are your OX?
This one is a 20-inch fan, OX. So this one goes for 50,000.
How much before?
Formerly it was 42,000.
42,000, but now 58.
I know 50,000.
Why it be like that?
It's the exchange rate and the cost of clearance. Yes.
Okay, for custom office. I make a be like that. What about this one? Simple style. How much of this one?
This one is we give this one for 51. Yeah.
Why do this thing get different? Why the price?
The difference is that ox is a name, is a popular name. It's a name that has been in the market for many years. No, it's not that it's the costless one. There are a lot of ORL is the costless. So this one is Polystar now. Then this one is Space Tech.
How much is this one?
This one is orbit fan.
Orbit fan. Now hang the hanger.
Hang it at the
Okay, not get
ceiling.
it now.
No, it has. You have this one at the ceiling. It has off and on.
How much is this one?
This one will give you this one for 14,000.
14,000.
Yeah.
How much last?
That's the price.
Okay.
Yes.
How much is this one?
It's 10,000.
10,000. What about this Sonic Japan? Sorry.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Okay, so what about Sonic? How much is this Sonic
This
here?
one will give you for 48.
Okay, now only this size you get.
No, it has a smaller one. Look at the smaller size. The smaller size is almost like this. Okay.
Wow.
That's the smallest size. Okay.
Wow, okay. Why it can't be like this now? How much last before? How much before?
Formerly before is 40.
40, but now it can't be.
48.
Why you won't just be like Ox, the same amount?
Yeah, yes, it's almost the same amount, but ours is more expensive than this.
See that they still get the same quality.
Yeah, they have the same quality. Okay, ox, this one,
And the big size.
this bigger size, is 53.
52. But you said that on
That one is 50.
50. Okay, so now 53. Wow. Okay, sir. So keep going. How much? How much are this gas?
This gas, we'll give you this one for 14,000.
14K. How much were they sell before?
Say 10.
10,000.
Yeah.
What's going to make now? It's too high. What about this one?
That one will give you 2,500.
2005.
For this B12.
Yes. Don't be go TV at 10 this one too.
You can use it for Go TV.
Go TV too. 2005.
2,500.
How much were they sell them for?
It's 1,500.
1.5. Let's make a call there now. This one
Now the dollar rate.
only dollar return cost.
The dollar rate, the exchange rate, and the importation. I mean clearance.
Clearance for custom. Yeah, you know custom.
I know.
Oh. Okay. What about this other product?
The top that they use. Sorry.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the time with us.
Yeah, which one you want to buy? You get any product for mine?
I be get Hisense for mine.
I say a very good product. Which size? You
I'm buy big size of
for
Hisense.
business and for normal house use.
For house use.
You buy, we get 260 liter, we get 300 liter.
I bet for like see the Hisense make the talk of.
This one 180 liter now. This one 260 liter. So we still get bigger ones, the people use one.
So how much now if I want buy this?
This one 140,000.
140. How much for before?
Before now 118,000.
118.
115, 118,
But how much now?
140.
Why it be like that?
I don't know the thing. Dollar, say na dollar rate. Thing they go up every time.
If dollar increase now.
Not be we will increase and now people will bring account. We say the thing don't go up, so we not get choice. We see buy the whole thing. And we
Me and you now we don't get issue inside this.
no, I'm not. I'm listening against. I don't say you get issue. I'm listening our government will not fit control the prices and how things they come. Some go say na importation. They add money during importation, custom duty, all those things. So that make the thing go up. Some say na dollar. So we not get choice. So na company now tell us say how much they sell now. So that's what it be.
Okay, since it be like that, I don't get that kind of money. What about that cheaper product?
We give other product like Skyron.
Now.
This one is Skyron.
So how much of this?
This one are cheaper. This one for this size now is 130,000.
This one for this size. What about this one?
This small size now 110,000.
130,000.
110.
110.
Yes.
So how many? What if it is? Okay, this one
This one is 90 liter.
Okay, 90 liters.
This one 145 liter.
145. 90 liters. Okay. So how much you take me?
This one I'll give you 108. Best price.
How much fat be before?
Before now 75,000.
Before na 75.
Yes.
Now like cut on to.
Yes.
You know we do some.
No, I have to reduce.
Hey, okay. What about this pots? Fine
This one
pots.
is yam powder.
Yam panda. You have seen a pot. You
If you see grind your meat for you,
grind my meat. Only meat and the grind.
the pan yam.
Grind my yam.
So
Grind my meat.
yes.
You don't do anything again.
No.
Grind ogbolo. No
If you
grind.
grind if you use a blender to grind your tomato or all those sort of stuff. So
Grind banga.
yes, if you squeeze banga for him.
Okay, how much now? How much?
This one price now 65,000.
165. How much?
We still get other. This one are 15 liter now. We still got other sizes, like 10 liter, 8 liter, 5 liter. So as they take being, so their price is big. I'll give 60,000 best price.
What about see this small? Not be a better pass my neighbor.
You know, after this one, they follow a better pass. No.
Okay, big pass. Okay, how much now for this one?
This one price now, presently 90,000.
How many kV?
This one 80, 1.8 kV.
1.8 kV.
1.8 kV.
What about this one? What did this one carry enough for us?
This one only light and your fans for us.
Only light and fan. No.
You know carry. You know we carry fridge.
No carry.
No.
We carry iron.
You know we carry iron.
Men to know the carry.
Iron get with no way now.
Only fan, television.
Your.
If you carry this heater.
No, 1 kilo now.
Like yeah, now what about this one? This
one 140,000.
140 kV. Wow. Okay, how many kV have this one?
That one are 2.8.
2.8 kV. I see the same thing with this one.
This one big part this one.
Okay, it big pass and one.
This one I will carry AC.
This one carry AC. Okay, this one no fit carry AC. This one no fit carry AC.
This one will carry AC. So let's say I do an inverter. ECB. There is C inverter. There is dual inverter. So let's say you do an inverter. You will carry and wear that stress. But you carry inverter 1 horsepower, but it will stress. You quickly the gen.
How much for this one, sir?
This one 140.
140. The other one.
This one are 280,000.
200. I'm going to tell
No, this one are 4.5. This one are 5.5 kV. It's straight past one. This one will carry 2 AC too.
Okay,
once.
Did I make an expensive bag? What about this blender now? I said blender, washing machine. I mean, sorry. How much is this washing machine?
This one are 175.
If it in a spin, I've been only washing.
This one are washing and spinning. A double tube. This here. Double tube. You wash here, you spin here.
I spin. You go dry totally. I go see sun again.
If you just spinner, if you hang up for some before 5 minutes, your clothes don't dry. That be the reason for the spinning.
So how much?
170.
170 last. How much for the selling before?
Before now 100,000.
What do you make an expensive?
I don't know. Now government to.
$100.
Not be afford. If they bring a company bring her now, they tell say how much it be now. We not go to follow the agreement. We not they go China. So that the government now they're supposed to feed the regulator this system. So not be afford.
But you know this in transportation no hard join.
If you buy now you don't cannot call with transport. You see pay them. For you consider produce like Uber, cannot call shop. So all of them cause the agent transport.
People now they transport everything they make an expense including dollar. They say government still join. We are still join.
No, we're not join. We're not join. They want to come by. I want to say.
He say we not join for the matter. Say now this thing. Now dollar. Say now government. Say now this. Now that. As now the year beg. Okay. Good afternoon. We are still in Mission Road. This now Edo State Marketing Block. This is now our first time. When they watch us, I bet when I try subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and also share. This now we still there for electronic shop for Mission Road. I beg as now they watch us. Watch us. Thank God. God go bless you now. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. You are welcome.
Yes, sir. So I want to buy fridge. How much are this? How much are this for a refrigerator?
This one is just 175,000.
What will be the name, sir?
Hisense.
Okay. Why it be like that now?
Because of the way things are now, so the price is more treble now. Because formerly it's 180, 200, but now it dropped to 175.
175.
Yeah.
For this one?
Yes, this particular one.
Now the price cost on for market. You not tell me what it cost on.
Because of the changing of the dollar now, the dollar rate. The dollar rate is so high. This one is 100,000.
100,000.
It's deep freezer. It's different from this one.
That one a fridge.
This one fridge and freezer.
The fridge and freezer.
Yeah, this is deep freezer.
Okay. What about this one? What about this one?
This one is 280,000.
What about this upright freezer?
Okay, this one is 250,000. This is deep freezer, standing freezer.
Standing deep freezer.
Yes, if you want to make block, ice block.
Yeah,
this one forms as block. 250,000.
250.
Yeah.
How much baby before now?
Before it's 280, 300.
300.
Yeah. No. This is to make ice block. It's different from.
How much now?
I say 250 now.
And before now how much?
300, 280.
We don't come come down.
Yes, come down small.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm saying nothing that affects this one now.
No.
Nothing that affects that.
For now, it's 250.
What about this one? Okay, why this one now can't be expensive as this one?
This is just ordinary deep freezer now.
You know, ordinary deep
But
freezer.
this one will form ice block for you.
They go form for me.
Yes.
Okay. So how much for this?
This electric cooker.
And what is even the name, sir?
Maxi electric cooker.
Okay, Maxi. How much now? How much are
Like this one is 80,000.
50,000. Now the same thing with these two, right?
This one is 100,000. It's smaller.
Okay, this one is small part.
Yes, this one is bigger one.
Okay, this one is the bigger one.
Yes. This one is 60 by 60. Why this is 50 by 50?
Why be 80? Why be 80?
My sister, it's cheap before now. That's like last 2 years. It was 60, 50 something.
What about this year? Starting of this year?
The starting of this year is 80,000 naira. Because like, since last year, middle of the last year till now, things gone up.
Doesn't make things go up.
I have already told you now, it's because of the exchange of dollar. No, dollar controls everything.
Now maybe dollar. Transport not dollar.
Including transport because of fuel scarcity.
It's quite scarcity.
Yes, so because liter of fuel now is 300, 3 something. So all this contribute to the high rent of all these things.
The government, me and you no still join am. Government no join, me and you no still join.
Government is joining on because if government bring things down, like fuel, if fuel come down to maybe 200 or 1 something, you see all these things crash down. You understand me? So government need to do their own.
Me and you know they push small price inside. Me and
You must push small price now because I cannot sell exactly a price I buy. Yes, now I have to make my own profit.
you make your own profit.
But
Your
it's
profit not the past profit.
This is now just about 5,000 naira, 4,000.
Yeah, no matter. I want to know how much are your own theater. I see home theater. How much?
That one is 120.
120. Now because of the products.
Yes, it's LG products.
You know, how much were they selling before?
Before it's 150.
150. Wow. Okay. Yeah, what about that sound recorder? That sound bar?
No, that one is 35,000.
At 5K. Oh.
It's only the stick. We call it stick, yes.
Okay, how much? Okay, now how many did they give warranty for inside?
That one is 2 years warranty.
If I can't go as now, it's spoiled. Put that back.
Yes, now you collect it, you take it to company. The company will put it in order.
Now, no, give me that deal. Now, so let's take a go first.
Yes, now it's warranty, no guarantee now.
Okay, now warranty, no guarantee.
Warranty.
Okay, what about this LG fan? This one where they stand, so where
Television.
Television, yes.
That one is 150,000.
150K.
Yes.
Wow, how much last?
150,000. I'm not telling you the prices now.
How much paid for market before?
Formally is 180.
What about this one will be 45? Okay, now see 45. Okay. What about this cruise air condition?
This one is 180,000.
180K.
Yes.
Wow. How much fair be before?
200.
It's 200 before. It can come down.
Come down.
Wow, dollar no affect on now.
It's come down. You know all this exchange of money now. No money for Nigeria now. So make some things come down.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. We appreciate your time, sir. Thank you. My people now they hear now don't hear price be for market. Some they go up, some they come down. Some na dollar they affect and some na transportation. Some na because the government no still stabilize the price. Also everything they stable. Things for not they big. They not for not they wait for market like this. Okay, I beg. If you guys this is the first time now they watch us, remember now try subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Okay. Good afternoon. Hey, I want buy engine. I'm buying the one we get small and big one. Okay. How much are this one now? How much?
This one now, as you can see, this one is 2 double leg. This double leg. You see the construction is double leg. Like as you see this one, this one single leg. You see the construction of that one.
I dey be. Wait, to say double leg, single leg.
See the construction of this one.
No be lie.
You see, You
yes,
see the street. But this simple leg.
Oh, no be lie.
See the construction.
Like good as
This one is Demang. 7.5 horsepower.
Okay.
Like as today, you can use it for popo, gari, elubo, beans, corn, tomatoes, and leaf. But if you want to use it, you change the teeth to foreign teeth because this one is local teeth. You can't use this for elubo with popo, gari. It's only beans and corn you can use it for. But if you change the teeth to foreign teeth, it's permanent. You can use it for anything. But like that one is west. Yes. 6.5 horsepower. Okay. It's only for grinding pepper, beans, corn, tomatoes, and leaf. But you can't. Yes. But you can't
How many horsepower?
That is now 6.5 horsepower.
These are not high pass.
Yes. Okay. Because this engine, you can't grind popo gari with elubo because the engine is not high than this one. No power. Okay, it's not strong. No. It's only local teeth.
Can I look at it for this one?
Yes. You can't grind popo gari and elubo.
Okay. What will be the name for this one now?
This one is Suez. Yes.
What about this one?
It's the same thing.
Yeah, the same thing. This
Yes.
They do the same function.
Yes.
I think I take grind pepper.
This one is anything dry.
Anything dry.
Is this one.
Okay.
This one is water.
So that popo gari now wet, it no go wet now.
Popo gari. Yes, you can use it for this one for them man.
Okay.
Yes.
I think you use that small one. And since this one they grind dry thing. I think you not take grind.
This one is mellow.
Okay,
mellow, dry pepper with yes.
Okay, now let this one like you feel dry with wet and dry.
Yes.
Now wet and dry yours there. Wet and dry. If you see
Yes.
anything water.
Okay. You can still use it. Yes, after grinding popo gari and lubo, can still use for corn and beans.
Okay, what about the other one? What's there?
It's the same.
Now the same thing. The same thing. But now different leg as you talk.
Yes,
Two legs and one.
Yes, yes.
Okay. How much are the price of that one will be?
This one, the last price of this one is 160. This one that come with double leg 170.
Okay, now 10,000 will be the difference.
Yes.
Okay. Why it be like that? How much for they sell them before?
Before when things not hard like this. When things not hard like this. Before we can sell it 250.
250.
Because of issue of money, we bring everything down. So that our money will can complete. We don't even want grace. So far the money complete for us.
They sell 170.
170, 160.
And I can't even come down pass.
Yes, cheap.
Everything like for high pass.
But well, not cheap.
Come down now, fixing money. No matter now. How about this one?
Now they say this one you just put it for sample.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now the same thing all.
Okay.
At the same price.
At the same thing. I say this thing machine. I say what all these ones they do. Okay. What about this house on the outside? Now see they observe some kind of thing for here. What shall be this one? What shall be all these ones?
Like that, you see that pot. That one is panto pot. To use it to pound yam.
Okay, that pot now go down to the pound yam.
Yam, panto yam. We have the big one. You'll fix it here.
Okay.
Plug this engine. Okay. Engine under. Okay. You can use it to pound your jam.
Wow.
This one is for condenser machine.
Okay.
That one is pumping machine.
Pumping machine. Okay, say pump boil or been at same pump
water or anything.
Go pump am.
That one. This one is for condenser machine.
Okay, this one they use electricity now. Your fuel go pump the bowl.
Yes.
Okay. What about this one?
Is this now? All those two is for condenser machine.
Okay, for condenser, say pump tire.
Yes.
Oh wow. For motor, for motor and machine.
Yes.
For book self, they pump am. Yeah. What about this one?
That one is the same thing.
Yes. What about this big thing? This thing attracts me come.
This one is ordinary for cassava. That wedge.
Cassava?
Boy, yes.
You know this one they run now.
Yes.
Cassava. How much?
After you don't grind cassava, you want to press it.
How much?
You press iron.
How much?
This one will give us for 180.
180,000.
80,000.
180. How much you fed the salon before?
Before it's 280 last.
Before now 280 last.
280 last.
It can't come down because of this cash
of
thing.
money.
Issue of money. Make it come down.
Yes.
Okay. Same with this one. How much of this one?
This one is 180. Both the pot and everything, the engine, everything is 180.
The pot, engine, and this thing.
Everything
180. Why? How much fed you before?
Before it's 195.
195.
Yes.
Because they can't remove money.
Small.
How much they can't remove now like this? 15,000. They move 15K so now tell one now.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. My people now they hear she they talk. She said the thing fell even high before, but now it can't come down because say cash not there. Money cashless policy more cause they get now for Nigeria. Say now make and they can't even bring and that's like people go fee buy them so that they'll get their money back. So this one now as cause to her now I say the thing can't dig lesser more than before. She be like the year in case you never subscribe to our YouTube channel. I bet I'm gonna try subscribe. But I beg now price matter we see they talk like this. Thank you now. God will bless you now. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So I want to buy TV.
How many inches?
Inches, 25 inches.
I have 32.
You have 32. Okay, let me see the 32 now.
32.
How much are this one?
So 80,000.
How much are the product? What will be the product name?
High sense.
Essence. How much?
80,000.
For 32 inches.
Yeah.
How much for the big before? How much for
Before 65.
65? Why can't high like that?
Because of the country.
Only country that cost some. Me and you no cost some.
No.
Dollar no cost some.
Because I still full cost. Dollar still full cost.
Okay, dollar still full cost.
Yeah.
Let me can high like that. Too high. So how much about this one?
This one is Mazin, 42 inches.
42 inches. How much for this?
110,000.
110. But this one, essence.
This is 32. This is 42.
But you say this one at 100 and
No, this is 80,000.
80,000. This one at 140.
110,000.
10,000. Okay. Why it be like that now?
Before it's 100,000 then.
Okay, before 100 for this one.
Yeah.
Then at 10,000 they come on top because of dollar.
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one? What about this one?
This is Samsung.
Samsung.
Yeah.
Okay. How much is this one?
This is 55 inches curve.
55 inches curve.
Yes.
Okay. How much will they sell?
550,000.
550k. How much before now?
Before it's 540.
540. Okay. Can we at least? Okay, alright. Okay, so how much of this one? What is this one?
This Hisense 17 inches.
Hisense. Okay, that one is Samsung. This one is
This
Hisense.
Samsung 55. This is 70.
70
Yeah.
inches.
Yes.
Okay. So how much did they sell now?
800,000.
800,000. How much did they sell them for?
790.
Okay, 790. Come at 10 kg.
Yeah.
Whoa, amazing. Say, now see the same thing with this one now.
This is 65.
That one is 65. 65 inches.
5
So
inches.
how much now for this 65 inches?
This one 450,000.
But you said this one at 200.
No.
How much did you
Say
pay that
800,000.
800.
This 450,000.
Why it be like that now?
These different inches, different sizes.
Okay, different sizes.
Yeah.
But that's one big pass now.
No.
Ah.
This 70. This 65.
Okay, but now this one long pass.
Yeah, this one nylon pass.
And only long.
Yes.
You know, get better
No.
quality, like what you go match this one, you understand? Like, not quality.
This
That
one
kind of
fit
thing.
up with. They're more clear than this one.
Okay. They're more clearer.
Yes.
Okay. Don't be like the observer. Okay, what about this home theater?
150.
Same with this one too. Now see Hisense now.
Yeah, for this one a smaller one. This is 15 inches.
Okay, 15 inches. How much for this one?
This one 240,000.
140k. How much for the big before now?
This is 230, 235.
That time. So now I go
240 now.
they still have some money. Wow. Same with this one, Sha. Now see Hisense. I mean, which product?
This is Hisense.
This one is Hisense.
Yeah.
Wow. Very fine. How much are this one?
This one with speaker.
Okay, with speaker. Let's place with the speaker.
Yes.
Okay, how much are this one now?
This one 350,000.
350. Wow. How many inches?
55.
55 inches. Okay, what used to be like that one?
Yes.
Okay. 55 inches. Wow. Amazing. What about this home theater as it is talking?
This one 170.
This one?
This one 180,000.
But not so fine pass now.
What's an I produce part? This one now without light, if I can feel use it.
Okay, now rechargeable.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
This one with light.
This one now with light
This
only.
is chargeable.
Okay. This one now just 10,000 with the difference. Okay.
180.
How much for the bill before for market now?
Before 150,
That's the same product. What
155.
if the name? What if the name of the product?
This is F&D.
F&D products.
Yes.
This one F&D.
No, this one is LG.
LG. This one
Yeah.
F&D. Okay, F&D gets these things.
Yes.
Rechargeable.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. What about this washing machine?
Nezos.
Yes, washing machine. How much now? How much?
5 kg.
7.5 kg. What about the other one too?
That one is broom, 8 kg.
8 kg. Okay, this one is 7.5. This one pass on 5 kg.
Yes.
How much for this one?
This one 135, 160.
135,
160.
Okay, 135, 160. Why it be like that now?
Different product, different company, different sizes.
Okay. So which one get quality pass if I want that?
This one.
Okay, this broom. Wow. What about this one?
This
LG.
This 13 kg.
18k.
13 kg.
13.
kg.
Yeah. How much of this one now?
260,000.
260. How much for the bill before now?
230, 235.
Then I call be 260.
260,000 now.
The money big go. Why they add like that now? It's not dollar cost.
Dollar issue.
Na dollar, na transport. And all this
Yeah.
one's not cost. What it cost again now?
Because of the transportation.
Okay. The transportation is too high. Too high. Don't be lying. How much are this one? This fridge, as I just wow. Fancy fridge. 280. 280,000.
280,000.
How much last?
Hisense.
How much last?
250,000.
Hey, 250. You know we do pass that one.
250.
How much for the bill before?
220, 235.
220, 235. Okay. What about this LG?
That one 380,000.
Please. But Okay, for this one?
This is inverter fridge.
Okay, inverter.
10 years
If
warranty.
you use inverter, not a charger.
If you have solar, you can fit connect them with it.
Okay.
If you have small gen, you can carry it.
Small gen, like which?
That is 1 kVA, 2.5. Yes.
Okay. What about that one?
That one is 190.
Where's to get water dispenser?
190,000.
190,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, 190. For this one, 190.
Yeah, 190,000.
And you still get water dispenser.
Water dispenser.
Okay.
And freezer and fridge.
Get freezer and fridge inside. Okay, what about this Nexus?
That one 350.
350,000. What about the other essence?
340,000.
340. Okay, Nexus product and this one. Why it be like that? Because I see the same height.
Different quality.
Okay, different product, different quality. Okay, thank you, sir. What about this essence? This one will get water dispenser again. Way high.
This one 290,000.
290.
Yeah.
Okay. What about this LG? This LG high.
This one is bigger than this one.
Bigger. How much?
This one is 400.
Yeah, 400,000. Okay. No, they reduce price. How much you be before for market?
Before is 410,000.
410.
Yeah.
Wow. What about that LG Smart inverter?
Freezer throughout. Appliance freezer.
Okay. So how much?
This one 275,000.
275.
Yeah.
Wow. How much last?
270,000 last.
You move 5,000 for me. Okay. How much for this one before?
For 250.
250. Wow. So, but the money where they can't put to that high. Dollar exchange high. Okay. Thank you, sir. What about this one? Okay, gas cooker. Sorry, you call a microwave. How much of this one?
1 hot plate and 3 gas.
Okay. Huh?
1 hot plate and 3 gas.
Okay, and 3 gas. Yeah. Okay. Hot plate and 3 gas. Yeah. Okay. What about the other one?
This one also the same thing, and just different color.
Okay. No, but this not the same company.
The same company but different color.
Okay. Same company but different color. Different color. Okay, now color custom. Yes. How much now for this?
This 130, 120.
The color custom.
Yes.
Okay, why if you say color custom? People they like the
this one now color they more different than this one.
Okay.
And time goes on. This one body will not change, but this one body remain the same.
Oh, okay. Okay. What about this washing machine?
It's an automatic.
What it be?
Automatic essence.
Okay, for washing machine, right? Okay. This one now they spin, they wash, they dry, they do everything.
Now you take water by itself, wash by itself, dry and by itself.
You go wash, you go spin, you go cause it dry.
You go stay dry.
How much for this one?
290,000.
290,000. How much last?
285 last.
285. So how much now you can move from signing?
Like 5,000.
Like 5K. Wow. Okay. What about AC?
Standing one.
I'm buy AC too. How much for this one? How much now we do? That essence we do.
That one is 2 horse per 1. Inverter AC.
Okay, that one is for inverter.
Yeah.
You don't use jet now.
You can feel gen, you can feel solar.
Okay. Still get inverter jet now.
Yes.
Okay, what about this one? All of
This one is standing one.
Standing one.
Yes.
Okay.
This one.
Use inverter.
No. I just normal AC. You can fuse bigger gen or full current to take power it.
What about this one again?
How much is the standing is?
Okay, how much it is?
450,000.
Okay.
450,000 now.
450 for this one?
Yes. Before it's 430, 420.
What about this essence washing machine?
This one is 5 kg. Wash here, spin here.
This one will get dry.
No, after I wash them for here, you put it here for the spinning. Yeah.
Okay, how much?
This one 90,000.
How much were they before?
70, 80.
70, 80 before.
Oh, nice. Yes, and it's 90,000. And 90,000 for the last price.
For the last one, 90.
Yeah.
What about
This
this
one 7.5. That big one of this one. This one 110,000.
110. So how much last?
110.
110.
That's the last price of this one.
Wow, amazing. What about the, okay, these are not, this are how many kg could be this one?
This
8 kg. If I want to buy 8 kg, how much I will buy?
8 kg is 140,000.
140.
Yes.
Okay, they only reduce price.
135.
Okay. How much five be before for market?
120, 125.
What about this one? This boom, this home
This
theater?
one is sound system.
Sound system.
2,350 watts.
Okay, 3,000.
250 watts.
50 watts. So how much?
280,000.
280. How much last now?
275.
275. You know with this on me?
No, 275.
If I reduce just now, like I reduce 5K from me.
275.
You know this on me this number. Ah, hey. Hey, how about this LG?
This one 42-liter microwave.
Okay.
Inverter microwave.
Okay, I feel using inverter not to run this thing.
Yes.
It will work.
It will work
I
well.
feel use light. I feel use gen. Okay, the three things I feel use. Okay, what about this one?
This is 20-liter.
20 liter.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much?
This one is 50,000. Why this one? 130,000.
Down on 100. Well,
Yeah.
how much last for this one?
This one 50,000 last.
How much?
50.
No, let me do
48 last.
48 last. At least you still know something. What about this one?
This one blender.
Yes.
65,000.
65. Okay. Thank you very much.
No
Sir.
problem.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, but this blender, what should they do?
The gram beans.
Beans,
The gram
dry
copper.
beans.
Yes.
Wow.
100% copper.
Wow. If you grind garlic, not just popo garlic, not just popo garlic
Yes,
now.
if you grind
If you grind now,
yeah.
let's say, how much?
60,000 there.
60K, no reduce.
60,000 last.
60 plus.
Yes.
How much had they do before?
Before it's 40, 45.
45, I don't buy this one now.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. We thank you for your time. And people now they hear the price matter, they go on. In case you never subscribe, I remember now subscribe to our YouTube channel, share and also like. Thank you very much for your time.